Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. It's all morning over here, and I thank God for the gift of life. So today, it's a bright morning, guys. As you can see, and I try to see it's a foggy day, so I'm supposed to rush from my home here and to take congrats mom to school, guys. So let me check the time. So my motorbike is over there. Wow. Oh, I want to see the time. So it's 7, almost 7:30. It's 7:30 a.m. in the morning. This is my local time here, so I'm rushing out, man. So to take congrats mom to school where he taught, and it's far from here. So before that, let me wear the gumboots. Oh. In our home here, guys, it's muddy. When it's rain, guys, we see fire. So it's rain, you can see it's muddy. Supposed to wear the gumboot. But before I move, I wanna give you a quick tour of my home, guys. Welcome back to my home. And in case, guys, you want to support me, maybe in terms of building my mama dream house, just support on that. So recently they were cleaning the borehole over there. This stuff here. Wow. Whew. Man. Dream come to reality. I'm just dreaming how I build my mama dream house. But I'm outside, guys. So this is the stones over here. And in case, guys, you want to support me in terms of materials, just support, and also me to support my mom. So just over here is the balance stone. Although I use them in my project there, or to build the toilet, I use them. This is the stones here. You have the sand over there. Oh, let's move on. So, guys, that being said, east to west home is the best. First thing is to build my mama dream house, guys. If you are willing to support me in terms of building my mama dream house, guys, just support. I need your help, you know. That's my grandma cow. Guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. In case you make these videos, subscribe. Road to 6K subscriber. I really appreciate. I'm the guy who climbing the ladder slowly, like, whew. Wow. So I wanna say, guys, if you want to support me here by building my mama dream house, just support, and I need your help. I'm very, very special. I can't take for granted. So here it's where I can build my mama dream house, 3-bedroom. From there up to here, I think it could be enough, you know. Wow. So it's my mama cow. You see how my mom, she was very, very hardworking, and I recognized to the energy of my mama, guys. And it can reach here. Maybe the master bedroom will be here, and washroom, and also this is where our land reach. So these are our neighbors. So when you see the barbed wire here and fenced, so maybe in the future I'll put perimeter wall here in future. Maybe let me say less than maybe 10 years but coming, I'll put a perimeter wall. So but your support are very, very special. So man, wow. So here is where I'm gonna put my mama dream house, 3-bedroom. I need your help. If you can support, guys. So love is for free. Wow, I know for the haters they wanna say, oh, this, but for me, I focus on my issues. You can see it's muddy area. So that's the reason why I wear the gumboots here. And guys, don't forget, I'm rushing now to take congrats mom to school, guys. You know, I'm very, very supportive guy, and that's the kind of heart that I have, you know. So, and over here, there's my project, man. I'm telling you, Oh, it's raining. Let me see here. Wow. You can see, guys, even I'm standing from here. Take that view. But it's all morning. So that's the reason why, that's the reason why you had maybe some dark. And I see from the far end, it's foggy or mist. Wow. So look. So I left my toilet to dry enough. And when I'm start installing the tiles, it could be better. Wow. And maybe here, let's see. Here I will paint. No idea for that. Oh, but it's concrete. Actually, during the night we close. You see, we close here and there because we didn't trust the villagers. You see the doors, and here I will put tiles here only. You see from here, this corner, I will put tiles here, going that way, even down here, up here, and also here in front. But at the back, I will paint, and also outside, and also the door I'll paint, guys. So for meanwhile, just choose for me the colors which I'm going to paint. Wow. So the highway I will build here, or walkway. So the walkway, it could be start from here, that the walkway coming this way up to this point, and then going that way. So it's just like an L shape, you know, it's come that way and then up to this point and then that way. So I will put I'll construct a small highway starting from here. You see, from here, and then there, and then go that way. That's what I mean, guys. So because of time, I'm rushing, taking Congrats back to school. If you are watching these videos, watch until the end. More amazing videos coming, and I can't take things for granted. I'm here to appreciate you. Thank you a million times for those people who are supporting me by watching my videos, by subscribing, and also on other way. Thank you so much. May God bless you. So stay tuned as I take the jacket and my motorbike. I'm fully outside. So right now I'm going to wear the boots because my gumboot is dirty, and then I take Congrats mom to school because we rush with time. We rush with time. And for me, I feel comfortable with this house. It's a muddy house, but inside I decorate enough. So, but for my mom, guys, honestly, it is what it is. If you know, you know. Me, I'm just a positive viber all the time. So technically, don't forget, guys, these are avocado trees. I really love the avocado trees. Even here, it's grown. You see, that's the avocados fruits over there. You have another one over there, and I think it starts bring out the fruits. Maybe you can see from the far end. That's more. That's a fruit over there. Wow. Maybe in future when you pay a visit at my home here, I could maybe build here small gazebos where you can chill and have a sweet talk. You know, it's a house with love has peace. Automatically, my mom's home or my dad's home or where I'm living, a house with love has peace always, all the time. And for us, we just show love and peace for one another. So that's an improvement that we made in life, you know. So, oh man, I feel so happy to be born and raised on this small humble background over here. I'm so grateful and I can't complain. So for now, I'm taking my motorbike outside. This is my motorbike that I was riding here. I was coming at night yesterday. Wow. Oh. You see what I mean? Unajua mimi nataka kupeleka mama ya Devi shuleni. Sasa nitakuacha. Yes, at the same time I want to escort my sister and then I drop my sister back to school there and I boom. So this is my tank here. By God's grace, maybe this week I will install the tank. I will install the water. So this tank here. And mom, I want to say thank you a million from wherever you are. May God bless you and add you more days as you're supporting me. So soon, maybe this week, I will install water. This is the tank here. For me, guys, if you support me, hello baby, just purchase this bangle. I don't have videos, use the exactly what you mean to purchase. Like this one here, it's 5,000 liter. You see? No more hide, guys. So stay tuned, guys, as I move. Nyaboni, why twende? Come on, you say hello. Say hello. Hello. Yes, that is my sister. That's the outfit of today. So I wanna take her to school right now, guys. So stay tuned as I move outside, man. Well, guys, so right now I was taking my sister back to school. Say hello. Hello. Yes, unakula nini? Chapati. They're eating chapati, guys. So stay tuned as I'm escorting my sister. At the same time, I take Congrats mom to school, and it's far from here. So I need to be very careful while I'm driving. Boom! But soon, guys, also we'll have the helmet, guys. Wow. Guys, so that's how we go. You know? So I'm fully outside. Heading this way with my motorbike. Wow, 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 wow. You see other kids? Hello. Yes. Wow. Ooh. I see other kids who are being sent maybe from school, guys. Look even at this. Say hello. Hello. That's the real life. I'm just escorting my sister back to school. Wow. Look even at this side, man. It's raining. It's fully raining, you know. You see other kids are going back to school. Look, Sazaka. Yes, look. Wow. Let's move on. Hey, that house. Ah, look, new model. Wow, 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 wow. I'm almost. Here you must be very careful with the kids here. Yeah, they are chewing mandazi. Wow. Finally. Oh, that's my sister. What's what that is? That is Sonani. Kofia vizuri. Nenda sasa. Hey, bye. Oh guys, so let's move on. Well guys, so here I'm going. So automatically you see this place. I'm heading to Congrats mom right now. So I'm just escorting my sister back to school, and then I'm always taking Congrats mom from here to the school where she was taught from the teacher. Wow. Let's move on. Move on. So today is a fog, or a misty day, or a foggy, because we have some small drop of the rain. Wow. So this road I was passing every day, showing you. Look, guys, take that view. So because right now it's sun morning over here. Wow. And we have a sharp corner here. So guys, stay tuned as I reach at the Congrats Mom. I will show you everything, how just move on. Oh guys, so I reach, so Congrats Mom is coming like right now. Right. Okay guys, I'm just over here with the Congrats Mom. Congrats, say hello.
Hello guys, I'm heading to school. Yes, and it is raining. Yes.
Oh guys, so just heading this way. It's raining. Woo! Let's come over here. You see guys, we're going to school. Wow. Hey, it's a bright morning guys. Serious. A lot of blessings. Guys, we outside. Wow. Man planting ways over there. Wow. You see guys, real life here. So guys, stay tuned. Mama is coming, and let me know in the comment section guys, what do you think about today's videos? They're very, very special. Wow. Well guys, we continue with our journey, and the journey is very, very special guys. Deep in the village. Wow. Oh. We left the tarmac road, and now we are heading this way. Wow guys, so just over here we left that route, and actually I was coming on this route here guys. So right now we use this one going back to school. Congrats now guys. So
Yeah guys,
that's a whole day.
subscribe to his channel guys. He's doing an amazing videos. Hello.
Okay. Utaweka hivi.
So guys, we are heading to school with a fellow baby. Hello baby. He's my driver today. So we are heading to school guys. Soon you will see me with the German machine.
German machine.
Yes. Soon. Yes. So we are heading to school on a motorbike. Wow. It's early in the morning. And this is how this place looks like. So guys, we
can see guys from the far end. Oh, some kids, they are coming from school. Oh. Oh, okay. Look at this place here. Wow. It's a totally village here, guys. So this is the fence. Yeah. Interior village. You can see the road, guys. Look. Guys, look the road. Oh, guys, you can see the road. How it looks. Guys, the road is bad, so let me concentrate on my motorbike. Wow. It's over there, that's the coffee plantation, you can see. Oh, let me come this way. We have a large number of them, and inside we have yams. You see, guys, there. Wow, that's the coffee. Guys, so we arrived here with congrats right now. This is the school over here, guys, that I was talking about. So we just over here, guys. Whew. Oh, it was raining of the cat and dogs. Okay. Today it's on Monday. You can see the flag over there. That's the flag, the symbol of our country, Kenya.
And give this to somebody. I bought it here. So come. Want to play? Where do you go? Go and play. Go there. So this is the base. So we can jump. So it has taken the school many years before we have a tank. So we have one here. Let's go and show you the tank. We also have another project here. We want to have a pit latrine, guys. See here? We want to construct a latrine here. See? This is the pit latrine for the land. Ukiukaji wa sheria za Kenya. That's the bell ringing, guys. So, female genital mutilation is prohibited here. So, runners are out for break. So, guys, this is where they wash their hands. It's our parade. There we have the. Pick this. Juma, pick this one here. Pick the rubbish from the flowers. How can you put flowers, rubbish on the flowers? They wash their hands. Let me see where there is water.
No water.
They have not put water here, guys, for washing hands. We thank God for this. We have also planted another kind of crop here. It is called
sorghum.
Sorghum. Look at this, the sorghum, guys. The sorghum. Yes, sorghum. We have planted sorghum. We also have cowpeas here. Very nutritious. You see the cowpeas? Yeah, the cowpeas. Normally, you normally come to check this place whether it is doing well. So that's where the motor is. And then that's where water pump. Water goes through this pipe. The pipe is here. Then the water goes through. Hakuna maji watoto. Bado hayajatoka juu. Mtaweka huko msubiri kidogo. Marahaba.
No. Hey guys, we have some kids here playing the football over here.
Bring the ball. Where's mine? Those are boys. These are my smart guys. Congratulations. You look wonderful. You look. They are so smart. The boys there, how are you? Not I'm fine. We are fine. How are you? How are you? Wow, congratulations. So you are talking foreign. Let me take also mine here. So guys, this is it. We cook. Come to the kitchen. Mama, habari yako? Sufuria zangu zinafanya kazi vizuri. Hongera. Umeamka salama. That's guys how we cook. Yeah, this is it. So there is porridge to cook today. You see there beans and maize. Mixture of maize and beans. Chakula si ni nyingi sana mamangu. Ndio hapo vile nakoroga. Ngoja ingie ana vile ninakoroga. Nakoroga kweli mama Jane.
That's porridge.
Na mboga pia zinaiva. Asante.
That's veggies. Okay. Asante sana.
An improvised bell for our school. See how tough it is? It has
Local bell.
Over 30 years.
30 years?
Yes.
Oh.
See how this metal is very strong? Very strong.
So I want to say goodbye. After this, I'm passing to Tanzania and then to make a shopping. And right now, guys, do the maize for the chicks. And also here you have the thermos flask. Imagine, guys. So after these videos, you watch until the end. I'm heading to Tanzania, so it's far from here. I'm going this way. I use this route and then go back to Tanzania and then make shopping 1, 2, 3, buying foods, going to the supermarket, purchasing maybe some flour, and then also I drop at home. At the same time, today's videos, I will join. I'll make quotation for the tank, the stuff that are needed, especially for the gathers and maybe money for the labor. Also, I'll make that videos and I'll join together. So in case you want to support me, guys, just support to build my mom's dream house. Wow. So it's a distance by itself from here and this is the school. So I want to say goodbye. Bye guys. We shall meet for the next video, guys. Alright, so that's how I go. I was passing here. Woo. There is a sharp corner there. So guys, keep going, and also our journey begin. Our journey continue, not begin. Our journey continue. So at the same time, I use other route on the other side, coming that way, and then It just like merry-go-round. And then right now I'm trying to use this one here. So I reach Bora town and then go to Tanzania to make some shopping, which Congrats mom have sent for me. And that's the kind of a push my videos goes. Sometime went viral. And in case you made these videos, guys, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And then don't skip ads. Watch the videos until the end. And drop the positive, sweet comment, guys, on the comment section below. At the back here, I have a small luggage. And then I'm heading this way, guys. Hey, amazing. Wow. So guys, I'm just keep going, keep grinding hard, man. Going. I was passing on deep village, guys. Look at that kids. And just keep going, man. Just keep going. And try to imagine during when I brought D here at the waterfall, just within here. So this is the place where we have the waterfall. So today I can't maybe manage to go there, go and watch my videos within this place. It's amazing place, man. We can't complain. Yeah. So try to imagine inside here we have a beautiful waterfall here. Imagine inside there you had the water. That is waterfall. Wow. Here we go. Look the village roads, guys, how it looks like. Wow. So guys, I'm just over here purchasing tomatoes. Haina shida, wani TV nyanya. Siti. Suwaki hizi nono. Ama ni za sura tu.
Za kiremba na kakaangu. Kivuta wateja.
Sema gana haware pono ranga.
Amagina kata.
Tina marovu.
Hazina mawe.
Ranga iniria.
Ukweli hazinaona. Chukua hata kimoja tutafune kichwa.
Oh. Guys, this silence over here. Guys, I'm over here. Oh. And this is the silence here. Tomatoes. So I'll take back to Congrats mom, guys. Oh guys, so look here. So finally I'm going back home right now, guys. Oh, big tractor. Go back home. Today it's raining every time. Every 1 hour rain, guys, you know. So look like this. It's rain, but the crazy thing is about people are outside, guys. Oh guys, so I reached home and man, I've overloaded. Imagine here. Oh, tamakurangi chinanya chivondo kere. Porne akinke mkiri vinge. Ito answer mo. Mana pino. Nambibire nge hatari. Wano tunde vina kafansa ke. Vinkoria, guys. Oh guys, I'm telling you. Oh. I was overloaded, guys. So it's time to take this back. Imagine. So I wanna open the gate stand here. I hope it can't fall down. So then open the gate. So this is the food for the chicken over here. Well guys, oh, I put that maize here and let's go outside. Woo! You mufundi ragi? What are we making on? Oh, this I'm still by here. The mahera. Sure. No raso. Koi, kor. Oh. Koi ono kumunya mo mutaka kumuhisi jambo. Kamu tuh ramah sih, angin aku nggak mahar. Mahar. Nggak mau mahar. Baca nggak sih? Mana mana? Ini kamu butuh bicara apa? Abdu burimu sih. I was saying that that guy was mixing the concrete, no gumboots. So sometimes it's hectic. Wow. So we just over here, and that's the work we're just talking about. And I'm asking that guy, why was this guy mixing the cement or the concrete with other gumboot? And we're being paid. Why not? So let me clean my motorbike, because after this guy I'm heading back home. So I'm going to pick my where I'm storing storage. For example, when I'm purchasing maybe materials, I written down. So just like a notebook. So today I'm going to write down the gutters like this one here, and also at the same time the gutters and also the pipe. You get what I mean? It's the pipe and gutters. So I'll write down the we call it the types of materials and amount of the money. So maybe in the future, just like a record book, I have a small record book I have already reminded. And over here, this is my motorbike, and I reach safe, guys. So stay tuned as more videos coming, guys. Oh guys, so I want to have my breakfast, and at the same time I was watching my videos here, yesterday's videos. Big shout out, that's my name there. And I love to watch my videos on TV, guys. I wish you watch my videos like this. I want to say thank you so much for those people who are having big screen like this one, 4K screen like this one, and actually it's Samsung screen. Well guys, so let me have the breakfast. I have already washed my hand here, you can see it's wet. So I want to have something on the table. This is a banana and the mixture of Irish potato. There's enough. Wow. It's supposed to close. And then I'll have tea here. Outside here have tea. Alright. That's my food. Well guys, this chapati here. Hey. Tea. Wow guys, so I finished taking breakfast, so let me turn the TV. That is me guys, see my yesterday video. So I turned the TV and it's time to head back home, so to take a record book. So today I'm gonna record some instrument for installing of water, all gathers like this. So you want maybe to repeat things several and oh, you hear the gangboot like boom. Well guys, so let's go. Oh wow, so today you can see the weather is not good, and the time is running up like crazy. Look other guys, even you can't see me clear. So today the weather is running crazy. You can see some dark, sometimes rain, man. Oh, all right. So I came back home and maybe to change some maybe clothes, because that I have, it's like when I was escorting Congrats mom to school, it's raining, and then I need to change the clothes, man. So right now I'm going to the hardware. Also want to have the exact price for the gutters and all pipe and everything, and we shall see what is going on next, man. So stay tuned as I live. So guys, I was coming on this hardware here. So let me read the name of the hardware. Precious Hardware. Over there. This is where I bought the sinkers and always this one here and this one. So today is to take the measurement, the tape measure from here, and also go back home to measure the gathers that are needed. What I mean gathers is this one here, and also the pipe. Also, he was at the same time he was a plumber. He know everything, and he was the one who installed my toilet, guys. Sinkers like this one here, Francia. Hey, amazing one. But this one here is a display. You have a new one inside.
Yes, man.
Hey, let's go.
Sam. Yo, man.
Yo, man. Aya, tuende nitakuonesha.
Let's go.
Tuende means let's go, man. Woo. We take the tape measure for measurement of the length of gathers.
Okay, no problem.
To know exactly the gathers that are needed, and also boom. So guys, here we go back home. with my plumber. So at the same time, he purchased material for the hardware, and then he was the one who installed, get payment. So this is the school here, where my sister learn and also my brother. Ooh, wow, that's my plumber, guys. They want to take care of me. So guys, you see today the weather is so bad, and it just overheat my with my maybe this way with my engineer. I'm what? So that's my motorbike over there. So we decide there's no need to put girders outside here because our compound is not fenced well, no security. So here we doesn't put, there's no need. Nyaboni, ndio fungua huko. Ndio fungua gate. Sema tunasongora tata. Yetu fungua hapo. Yetu fungua ucheze. So after school, let me open. You know, when mom's she's not around, they give my sister key. Oh, let me open, guys.
The fingering here. The fingering here. Oh. The fingering here.
Let me open. Hey, it's mighty area here. So phone.
Oh.
Tank. Hey, it's 5,000 liter.
That's good, man.
So I want the gutters to run from that point, from there up to this way, and from the gate up to that corner. And then also, if it's advisable, maybe you can store from here. Yes.
And where the tank will be?
Why did you prefer? Maybe here.
The problem you made, you could ask them. Instead, they're giving you this one. They give this short one, but big. 5,000
liters?
Yes, short. You see, like this one, it's good, but the problem is the height. You see the problem now, I will compare the height of the house.
Okay.
When you see the height of the house and also this one, meaning that when you are going to build the basement here, it will be the small basement.
This one?
Yes, because of the height of the tank.
There's no problem.
Yes. So that's why I'm saying that if you could get the shorter one, then...
So you know me, I know that tank is a tank.
No. You could go for advice. You see, for this one, there's no problem with this one.
But
you can get the height that... Also, the when you build the basement for the tank, you see that almost like 200 liters or 500... No. 100 liters or 50 liters is going out because of what? Because of the height of the tank. Yes.
Sasa
ungepata ile fupi alafu
pana. Sasa hii sasa kwa vile unamaanisha hivi haitaenda chini sana.
Yes, haitakani, yani hii basement mnaojenga itakayojengwa wasilete juu. Isije juu kabisa. Hata kama ikiwezekana iende chini. Ni kwa sababu gani? Ili hii nyumba maji yote yafanya nini? Yaweze kwenda huko.
Utatumia pipe, yani maji yanakimbia hivi, alafu yanapanda hivi.
Yanamwagika.
Utatumia hivyo?
Naweza nikatumia hivyo au itategemea sasa height ya hii. Kwa sababu height ya hii unaweza kaweka hivi yasiende. Kwa sababu gani? Force ya hii
ni kidogo. Sasa tunafanyaje?
Unaona kama hiyo ni ndefu, hiyo nyumba ina ndefu.
So we this iron sheet is old.
What I'm saying, the height of
the height,
you can see
it's
the
okay.
height is okay. But this one you can see, it's very short. So that's why I'm saying that when you brought the mason to build for the basement of this, make sure that
You must be here.
the tank, yes, I must be there, and also the tank has to go down.
Like
You are
up to this place. Ifike hapa.
Nafikiri ikifika hapo iko sawa.
Sasa ikifika hapa na hizi tapu zitaenda wapi?
Hiyo, there's no problem with that. So I'm the one who is connecting the pipes. You see here, you reboot the male and the female. So that it will come up, then it portray for the tank. I know what is supposed to be done there. There's no problem with that. For that one, there is no problem. You can even take from there where the tank is, it runs down up to where you need to stand to be.
Okay, measure the gutters, the size of the gutters, and everything. So because I want to harvest water, both two houses, only on the compound here. And then we take the measurements with the tape measure. That's one. You put here.
You can say 2.
Okay, 2.
We have 2 here.
Okay, 2. So that's 2 gathers, guys.
And also that is 2 because you have see. 2. And also that's 2.
That is 2.
Yes.
4.
And that's 4. And here is you see you cannot get a half.
So that we have read it. Yes, 5. Yes, from there. And then here is 2. There is 2. That's 4. Here is 1. 5. And also maybe according to your idea, utatumia pipe yanaenda hivi ama unatakeje?
You see now it will depends with the height of the tank.
So I want to know everything because right now I want to make for me some quotation and then I know the exact reminder I needed. Also kisema hivyo, if you are using the pipe, decide.
You see here what we shall do, it will move from the here direct to the tank.
Direct?
Yes, to the tank.
Yatapita na pipe hivi?
Yeah.
So the pipe will become this way and then?
Yes, you see
sitakuwa fupi?
No, you see this one, but you make sure that the water is coming here. Then from it goes this way. So that here...
Oh, I understand you. So
here,
that the tank will be here?
Yes. Here we shall have the down dropper.
There.
So from there, the water will be coming here. Then from there, water will be coming here. Then direct to the tank.
So utaweka ile bomba hivi direct?
Yes, yes.
Yanaenda naingia kwa pump?
Yes.
Okay, me I think that we can dig underground.
Yes, you see, if that will not work, then it has to go down. It goes down, run there, then it goes up. And also when it comes up, it must be the same size, the same height of this.
Measure the height of the tank. Yeah, you can measure the height of the tank and then you measure the height of the house. You know what you can going maybe to do. That's 7 feet. Yes. Measure the height maybe from the ground up to the gathers. You see. Where is 7?
On a 7.
Let's see 7.
You see?
There is 7.
1 feet up.
So that is 6. 6 is okay.
6 is okay.
So we remaining on
not even 6. Not even 6. You see here we have the dropper.
Measure.
Where? You see, here we have the put it here.
So or use that to me height ya huko juu hapa kama iko juu. Okay, that is 6.
That's 6. So unaona 6 here. Na hapa 6 dropper ikai hapo. Dropper inakuja mpaka somewhere here. Okay. Yes. So it's a 5.5.
5.5.
Yeah.
So when I dig the foundation is 2 feet down.
Yes, it has go 2.
Let me say 3 feet. Ama unaonaje? 2 feet down tujenge mawe.
No, weka feet 2 na nusu.
2.5 feet here.
2.5 feet. Yes. That's when we can harvest we can make the use of all the tank. So that all the tank will be filled with water.
Yes, so we use we dig here
2.5 feet.
Let me say 3.
3 down, yes.
Because this house is taller than this.
Yes. Iende chini. Kwa hivyo itakuja almost.
Sasa ukichimba futi 2 hapa.
Hii yote natakiwa iende chini kwenye udongo.
Gani?
Hii kutoka hapa mpaka hapo itakuwa kwenye udongo.
Hapa mpaka hapa.
Yes.
Kwenye udongo.
Yes.
Mbona?
You see the way, let me show you what is supposed to be done.
Si mimi ndani ukichimba futi 2 kwenda chini na nusu ikijengewa pale chini. Hii inakuja na kaju.
Nisikilize. You see this our basement here. This our basement. You see this one is supposed to go 3 feet down. Then after going 3 feet down, then you bring the mason here. Build the blocks. Then plaster the block properly. Then this tank will come inside here.
Itakaa ndani ya shimo.
Ndani ya shimo. Then ikikaa hapa ndani ya shimo, what I will do, I will tap here my pipes. Then I will ask you, where do you want the tap to be? Then when you told me that angle, or whatever, then I bring my type there. That's when we are going to make all the use of this. If you want the basement to come up here, I'm telling you, my dear brother, the height will come up to this height of the house. It will come up here, or here. Meaning that we have to almost half of the water will be going out. I think you are getting my concept.
Yes.
Yani hapa kwa tunatakiwa kufanya nini? Maji ukikoroga tu ikija mpaka juu, maana yake maji yatakuja kutobolewa hapa, pipe itatoka. Maana kutoka hapa maji hapa moja.
Sasa ikikorogewa hadi hapa. Hii yote ende chini. Ina maana hiyo mawe haita bonda.
Hii ninakwambia.
Ama itakuwa ni shimo mkalishe ndani.
Sema kwamba ni shimo na chimbo.
Uko chini tenge. Ile chini basic kwa futi 3 uko chini ikalishwa.
Sikiliza, natakiwa ichimbwe zaidi ya futi, tuseme futi 4 chini. Then futi 1 ndio wekwe mawe. Weko slab.
Hii ikae juu.
Hiyo ikae juu. Then hii futi zilizobaki 3 kuja juu, hizo haugusi. Hizo inakaa hivyo hivyo.
Nishakwera, so itaenda futi 3 na nusu deep. Wajenge uko base uko chini.
Ile nusu ile jengwe chini. Lakini futi zangu 3 mtu asiguze kabisa.
Asiguze.
Tenki linakuja na nakaa ndani mrenda.
Hakuwa ndani sasa likikaa eti humu ndani yote itakorogewa.
Ndio maana nimekwambia hapa watumie blocks kujenga. Wajenge hapa.
Block kama mawe ama tofali.
Tafari.
Si block.
Tafari.
Si mawe.
Tafari hapa. Haina haja kuumia na mawe. Kama mayapo tumia, kama hayapo tumia tafari.
Sinaweza lemea uzito ipasuke.
Kuna pembeni hapa. Pembeni hapa muna kitu chochote cha kubomoa.
Hapa ni itaenda kukaa.
Si na hapa chini hii basis unaweka mawe kaka.
Hapa chini.
Hapa chini unaweka mawe.
Okay.
Lakini kutoka hapa mpaka kwenye udongo mpaka kwenye service hii natakiwa ni futi 3 zangu usiguse kabisa.
So you will be here and then you get the clamp or the remaining from here up to here 3 feet.
3 feet here.
Measure here. 3 feet.
I need 3 feet. 3 feet. Meaning that this 1 feet is for the stones down there.
2 feet.
Then these 2 feet. Nobody is supposed to touch it.
Okay.
So my tank will go inside.
Okay.
So that's why I wanted to see the height of the house so that we can go with the height of the house. Otherwise, if these 2 feet or 3 feet come up, the tank sit up here, then we shall be coming to have our house.
What is your labor money for maybe to finish these things, to be honest?
So we have to calculate down. Let us have the paper.
Okay, let's go to your hardware. Yes. You can calculate, you say it's 5 gathers.
Yes.
Sasa kutoka hapa kwenda hapa tena nini itapeleka maji? Pipe.
Basement kwanza hii itatengenezwa, basement inatengenezwa.
I think hapa. Unaonaje hapa ama itatosha?
Na ikue hapa au hapa?
Hapa kuna kaburi.
Kuna?
Ndio imefika hapa kaburi.
Kuna kaburi.
Kweli?
Toka hapo.
Hadi somewhere hapa uone vile inaonyesha.
Basi
hapa itatosha, mbao watanifinyia nyumba yangu.
Kwa sisi watahitaji kuchinga sasa.
Ama watafinya nyumba yangu sana. Unaonaje?
Na pale ng'ombe zinakuepo pale.
Wachimbe hapa.
Lakini uhakikishe wasije wakaguze kabla.
Haifiki, si ndio imefika hapa. Yes, right. As we just over here, we decided to use this house for my mama to store water, and also this one because my house it's too low, 4 feet. So we try to use this one
Supposed to go
down. So at least we use this one and also this one. So for now we use four gathers of water. So maybe kukuruhano. Futano na nusu ni head.
At least this one is better.
Okay, there.
Yeah.
Okay.
But now we shall ask your mom to squeeze a little bit. Has to go. We use this route now.
There is no problem. The only thing that you need is water.
Okay.
Yeah.
For now here, it's okay now.
Yes. Let's use this one here.
This one is now better.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Chacha, let's go to your hardware.
Yes.
And then we take the quotation.
For the
Hapo utatumia akulipa utatumia pipe.
pipe lazima tutumie kuleta maji. Tutatumia pipe moja.
Ya hii nyumba peke yake.
Ya nyumba zote mbili.
Okay. How many feet for the pipe? 10 feet.
Yes, 10 feet.
Okay, that's one pipe.
Yes.
Okay, one pipe and also
Those are accessories like the corner gutter,
yes, conagatas, drop.
connector.
Yes, mama ko wapi? So guys, let's sit down and make quotation. Oh. Okay. Takora mbebongo. And also me I will go with a copy.
No problem.
A copy?
No problem.
Okay.
So today is on 20.
29.
Yes, 29.
Let me check. Oh no, today is 30th.
Number 1, we go to that. We need the 4.
Gatas.
We need 4 gutters.
Which is 1,500.
500.
Okay.
So number 2 we have gutter connector.
This is gata collect.
Gutter connector. Yes, this one.
Yeah, show me even.
Come.
I want to know. I know the only this gata. Which
This
connector?
gutter connector.
Okay.
This one. You see, there is this pipe, this gutter from here, and also this one.
And
Which
one
will join
goes
them.
to.
Which one?
Utanunua ngapi?
Sisi zitakuwa mbili, 2 pieces.
2 pieces.
Yes.
Okay. And corner. Okay, because our house has
Don't have the corner.
don't have the corner.
Yes.
So this one is 2.
You need 2 pieces.
Okay, 2 pieces. That is 7. Yeah, that's how much? 700.
No, 300.
300.
So it will be 6.
600.
Yes, 2.
Okay.
So number 3, we have stopper.
Which is show me the stop.
Stoppers are here. So we have
Oh.
2 ends. Yes.
Okay. 2 or
2 ends.
you need how many? Oh, those zitakuwa ngapi? 4. 1. That is 4.
4. So we have 4 pieces. Each 250.
250.
Yes.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Number 4.
Number 4. Where else?
Okay,
have dropper.
we finish this. We finish also this one. We finish.
But not yet. Those are not yet. So we go to the dropper.
We should drop.
Dropper.
Show me the dropper.
Droppers in here.
Yes, I want to see the dropper.
Here we have. So this is the dropper.
Okay, these are dropper. Okay, we need 2.
We need 2 pieces.
Okay. For how much?
We need 2 pieces. Each is 500. So this is 1,000. So what else? Cup clips.
Cup clips? Cup.
Clips. These are the clips.
This one. You need unataka ngapi? You need how much?
So each will take 4. Each gutter.
4.
Yeah.
So that is each gutters.
Yes,
So
each
4 times
gutter.
2, 8.
No. Yes, 8 times 2, that's 16.
16.
So we need 16 pieces.
16. Okay.
So we need 16 pieces, each 150.
150.
Yes.
Okay.
What else? That's all about.
And what about this one? Did you? There's no need. You can join with a pipe.
We have
And also elbow.
Yes.
2 elbow.
Yes.
Yes, guys. 2 elbow for joining this one here, and then direct water to the pipe.
3 inch. We need 4. We need 4 pieces.
Elbow.
Yes. Moja
Okay.
tutatoka hapa na mwingine ataingia kwenye tanki. Na ile tutatoka hapa itaingia kwenye. So we need 4 pieces.
4.
Each.
4 elbow.
Elbow ni 250. Alafu what else?
I've already finished with that one. We finished with this one. And also we finished with this one. Also finish with what?
Tangent.
Da?
Tangent gum.
Gum. Sasa gum ni yako. Gum is yours. Hey, Pramba, you came with your guru. Hey.
And also we have silicone.
Show me the silicone.
Let the silicone, yeah.
Hey guys, I want to show you everything
Let
that are needed. Oh. It's short, this place. Silicone iko wapi? Na ile nini ulisema hii ni ya?
Hii ni silicone. Let me look at hiyo. Na hii ni tangent. To join the pipes.
Okay.
And also this is the silicone.
Okay.
Where the joints are, you have to apply this one.
Okay.
The silicone.
Okay.
Yes. So this 300. So we need to.
And pipe we said you need 1.
And also number 10 PVC pipe.
Which one? Hii nyeupe.
Whatever. It's you now to choose. If you want this one, pipe. If you want this one, so which one do you want?
Okay, pipe is a pipe. You can use even white.
White, okay.
And also tap.
Oh, we have not yet reached.
Just reminding me.
So also, we need this one.
Which one?
This one. We
Okay.
need one.
1.
Yes. We need this
You
one.
need this one or this one?
No, this one. This one each. We need this one.
1.
Yes.
Okay, write down
With the other pipe.
for bringing out water. Wow. Okay.
And also we need
Tap.
tap. 1 piece.
Yes, 1 tap is okay.
Yes. And also we need
1 tap is 1,000.
1,000. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Which that type tap gani unaenda 1,000 charge?
Tap ni shilingi 1,000 kaka.
Gani hiyo ama ni ile fake? Tuone your tap charge. So I want to see that tap.
Ile tap ziko.
Hii ndio inaenda 1,000 charge. Honest.
Au tuiache.
Ile nyeupe
Nyeupe.
ama mnaka zile nyeupe?
Plastiki. Zile za plastiki.
Okay,
Oh,
this.
hii ya silver kama hii.
Eh.
Hii kama inaonekana kama hii. Zile zitakusumbua. Zile sio nzuri.
Okay.
Yes. Hii ndio nani nzuri. Alafu pia tuna
Shamaliza.
accessories
Accessory ni nini?
kama elbow.
Selba tushaeka hapo.
Hatujaweka ya kuleta maji. Unajua hizi tunazoandika ni za kuleta maji kwenye.
Oh, elbow kwa hizo nini? Tap. Okay, let's go there.
Tutakuwa na hii.
I've already known. For the green one,
Yes.
this elbow.
You see this one? This is where the tap will be fixed.
Okay.
This is what I've said.
One goes to
This we need only one.
1.
And also we need this one. We need this one
4.
coming outside from the tank. And also we need this one to join them.
Sasa itakuwa
This will
inaenda
be the tank connector. This will work as tank connector.
outlet.
Yes, from the tank. This is where we shall be tapping our water from.
Okay.
Yes.
And this one from the tap.
This is where the tap will be fixed.
Okay.
Yes.
I hope we finish everything. Sasa misumari ni yako utakuja nayo.
Ni sawa. Misumari ya kuongelea.
Aya, labor money, honest. Yes, to be honest, I need the labor money. Yes, guys, I'm telling him. To be honest, labor money.
So we calculate, we get the total amount.
Well, guys, so we finish everything, and this is the quotation here you need. So 4,000 is the labor money, and 15,300 it's the quotation here. Every quotation has the price. You can see, guys. Every quotation has the price just over here, and this is the total amount, 19,300. Wow. Needed to fix the tank, how to install water, and maybe I would ask the mason how many cement
For constructing the basement of the tank. I think 3 is enough. 3 bags of cement.
Three is enough.
Yes. For course one, we'll construct the basement. Also, the other one will try to build the around the blocks.
Screeding, and then another one too.
One will build. Then the other one for plastering and the
Screeding.
yes. So 3 bags are enough.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, take.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Church. I will come later.
Okay.
Yes, guys. So maybe apart from quotation, 3 bags of cement are aside. So once goes to 930 shillings, guys. So stay tuned, Mama is gonna be this kind. Well, guys, so I just arrived here since morning, and I was going around escorting congrats mom, and right now I feel like I'm tired, man. So go around to my village looking for the plumber at the same time, man. It's so hectic, but I managed to end my day like this. So this is my motorbike over here, you can see, full of dust. It means that since morning it's raining, and man, I feel like I could end my videos with you. And in case you made my videos, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Road to 6K subscriber. I appreciate, and I thank God for this far. I'm just focused with my own thing, and also I'm flow with vibe. So love is for free. Show me some love, guys. Love is for free. Over there, Rio is grazing. Thank you so much, guys. And in case you made these videos, share to your family, share to your friends. Let's support Yellow Baby Official. That's the best way you can support Yellow Baby Official. You have the green phone, or maybe green phone are ringing outside. I don't know. Maybe it's making noise. You heard over there? Over there have the green phone. So guys, bye bye.